Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to send a verification email and to verify the user's email before he logs in into the app. So here this is my main page, main.xml. It contains a register button and here user can enter his email, username and password and click on register to register. And if he has already registered, then he can click on login button. When he clicks on login button, he will move to verify email activity. Okay, and if he clicks on register and he successfully registers, then also he will move to verify email activity. So here if he is already a verified user, if his email is verified, then he can enter his email and password here and click on login to move to this chat activity. And if he has not, his email is not verified, then it will show a message that his email is not verified, and to get a verification email he can click on this button. So let's start. Here in main activity, first we have to create a Firebase auth component fauth. Okay, and here I use a Firebase DB component users to send the username which user enters here, and I use intent component I. In events, in on create event, I check if the user is logged in. If user is logged in, then I check if his email is verified or not. To check if his email is verified, we have to create a boolean variable email verified, or you can create anything else. So here I have created a boolean variable email verified, and I have set this boolean variable email verified to, it is equal to fauth dot get current user dot is email verified. Here this fauth is the Firebase auth component. So from this I get the current user and check is email verified, and this will return a either true or false, and that will be this boolean email verified. So email verified will be either true if the user's email is verified, and it will be false if it is not verified. Then I use an if else block. If email verified means if email is verified, then I set this screen to chat activity and move to chat activity using intent, otherwise I finish the activity. I move to chat activity and I finish the activity if email is verified. And if email is not verified, then I toast verify your email address and I use intent to move to verify email activity. So this is in on activity create. Now suppose user is not logged in, then all this code will not be executed. So then the user has to enter these three things and click on register. So when user clicks on register button, I check if length of edit email and length of edit password and length of edit username is more than 0. If the length of all these edit text fields is more than 0, then I set this string variable username to edit username get text, and I create user with email, edit email and password, edit password. So this will create the user, and if any of these fields is empty, it will toast all fields are required. So this is when register button is clicked, and once the registration is complete, on create user complete method will be executed, and in this event if it is successful, then I create a new map variable, put this key username value, the string variable username, and add it to this Firebase DB user using the key Firebase auth get UID, and after that I send the verification email, and then I set this screen to verify email activity and move to verify email activity. So this means I will, once the registration is complete, I will send verification email using this code, and I will set screen to verify email activity and move to verify email activity. And if there is any error, I toast the error message. Okay, and if the user is already registered, then I will click on login button, and when he clicks on login button, I use intent to move to verify email activity. Okay, now let me show you the code which I used to send the verification email. It is in on create user complete. If it is successful, then I send the verification email using this code. So I'll show you here. Here it looks better. So here I use the Firebase auth component fauth. From this I get the current user. Okay, fauth.get current user is the Firebase user, and to this user I send email verification. It is fauth.get current user dot send email verification. After that it is dot add on completion listener, and inside this it is new on complete listener void, and it contains this method at override public void on complete. Okay, so this is the code fauth.get current user dot send email verification. This will send the email verification, and to this I add a on complete listener which contains this method public void on complete, and this method has a variable task void task. This task is a variable. So inside this I check if task is successful. If task is successful, then I show message email sent, else I show message error sending email. Okay, so this is how I send the verification email and once he moves to verify email activity. So suppose he successfully registers and moves to verify email activity. So here if he has verified his email by going to his email address, then he has to log in using his email and password. So here also I use the Firebase auth component fauth, then I have a dialog component dialog and intent component I, and when user clicks on this login button, I check if length of edit email and length of edit password is more than 0. If both this is more than 0, then I sign in with edit email and password edit password, and if any of these fields is empty, I toast all fields are required. And in the event on sign in user complete, if it is successful, then here also we have to create this email verified variable. This is a boolean variable email verified. So I set this email verified to fauth.get current user dot is email verified, and if email is verified, I set screen to chat activity and move to chat activity and finish this activity. Else if email is not verified, then for dialog I set the title as your email is not verified yet, check your email for verification link, and for I set a OK button and show this dialog, else I toast the error message. And if the user has not received verification email, then he can click on this button 2. When he clicks on button 2, I again use the same code to send verification email fauth.get current user dot send email verification dot add on complete listener new on complete listener at override public void on complete, and in this if task is successful, show message email sent, else show message error sending email. So this is how I send the email verification. Now let's check the app. So here in this app I am not registered. If I click on login, enter my email and any password, and click on login, it says there is no user record corresponding to this, so means that it failed to login. So now let me register. This is my email, this will be my username, and password. Let's set the password as 12345 and I will click on register. The given password is invalid. Password should be at least 6 characters, so 123456. Let me register. So I have successfully registered and email is sent. Now I have to verify my email and then log in. Suppose I try to log in here by entering my email and password. If I click on login, shows your email is not verified yet. Check your email for verification link. Okay, and let me check my email address. So I have to receive a email. This is the verification email. So this is a new email which I received. Follow this link to verify your email address. When I click on this, it will verify the email address. Your email has been verified. You can now sign in with your new account. So now I will go to Firebase again, and here I will enter my email address and password, and I will click on login. So now you can see that I have successfully logged in, and if I have to log out, I will click on log out here. I will move to this main activity. So I will show you the logout button also. In order to log out, I have in this chat activity a logout button in drawer, and when I click on this, I use Firebase auth sign out, intent set screen main activity, start activity I, and finish this activity. This is how I log out. So that's all in this video. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much for watching this.